Hello you. I thought I'd share a little bit of a stationery unboxing with you. These are from Miso Paper and Amazon. Let's do the Amazon ones first. So I've got some sticky notes because I need these for when I'm annotating books and just placeholders for all sorts of things. I got a muted palette, because the bright ones are like super neon bright ones, so they were only a couple of quid. Then I've got some more of these folders. So these are the B5 clear folders with 9 rings. These come in a set of a smoky colour, a translucent, and then a black, so you get 3 in one set. And what I tend to do, what I do with these is I cut them down a little bit and make actual A5 rings for different commonplace books. But I'm also gonna, I've just realised these ones are actually a little bit thinner than that one. I did not realise that. Okay. So yeah, that's what I do with these. But I'm also intending to make like an acrylic stamp folder as well, which is why I've got some acetate sheets. Cut it down to B5 so it sits on my shelf, because when things are on my shelf, they are so much more accessible for me and I don't forget about them. But I've recently got some acrylic stamps from a magazine, but they're obviously A4, so they're much bigger. So I'm going to cut these down and make my own like acrylic stamp folder, so I can keep all my stamps and things in one place and more easily accessible than where I've currently got them. So there'll be a little bit of a organising video, stationery organising video at some point as well. So that's my Amazon bits. And then move on to the Miso Paper bits. I think this is my 3rd time ordering from Miso. Always very easy to deal with. So let's get things out of the box. Let's do the things in the bag first. So I noticed that MU Lifestyle has got these Inky sort of pens that you can use on the acrylic stamps in different colours, but they all like slot together, so I thought they would be quite easy for me to put in my pencil case and take with me for the colours of the month or whatever I'm doing. I then also got these little stamps that MU do. So these are like the everyday sort of clock, snooze, toothbrush, cereal, perfume, shopping, so I thought they were quite cute. I do quite like acrylic stamps, or any stamps really. These were on sale, so I just thought I'd pick these up, because you can never have too many date stickers, stamps. So yeah, and I wanted the bigger numbers as well. Also got some stickers, MU stickers, more beach sort of coastal ones that I'll be using throughout July. It's almost the end of July now, but yeah, I'll be back filling a little bit for just some projects. You get 2 sheets in these. I didn't show them very well last time, so let's pull them apart. This one's number 525 if you like the look of it. So that's the first sheet. Hopefully the camera is focusing on it very well. And then that's the second sheet. So these are just transfer stickers, which again I love because they don't bulk up anything at all. And the other one, that's the first sheet. Yeah. turn it that way. Hopefully you can see it better that way. So just some nice moody sort of coastal things. I don't know why, but these ones remind me of Twilight for some reason. Yeah, so there's some more stickers that I love. Then those are the freebies that Barbara gives out. But then I've also got this Let's Press Fred notebook. Yeah, Meow Illustrations, an Australian designer. But I love this light green colour, always have. So let's take it out of the thing. This is obviously a traveller size notebook. Don't worry, I'm not going away from Hobonichi. I still do my Hobonichi. So let's take the sleeve off. But yeah, don't know if that's showing up in the camera very well or not. But yeah, discover the beautiful small things in life. Notebook, H happy, new think of happiest things, don't forget to smile. And walk into the dream while you're awake. Every dream has a beginning, every dream starts here. That bit's embossed at the bottom with a stamp, which I think is really nice. So this is just very nicely done. Designed by Carol T, which is, I'm guessing, the girl behind Meow. So it's just a very 3.5 dot grid notebook. The paper's thin, but it's not Tomorrow thin. But it does have that slight cream colour like Tomorrow does. So I quite like that. So this, again, is for me testing ideas out in things that I want to do. So keep your eyes on that, because I will be showing it throughout videos with different things I'm planning to do for travel size notebooks, because I've got a wicked idea that hopefully you guys are going to like. So before I get onto the freebies, this was the expensive piece of the bunch, but I couldn't resist because I thought that it would be perfect for my free flows. This is the Misty Rainforest by Meow Illustration as well. The reason why they are very expensive is because they've come all the way from Australia. So I did try buying directly from her, but the shipping costs and things were the same amount as what it was from Miso Paper. So, you know, getting stuff from Australia is just expensive. So just bear that in mind. But these are just so beautiful, I couldn't resist. Oh, what's this? Oh, I thought it was just the stamps. But no, you get this little booklet. Letterpress memo pad. 45 pages. Oh, that is cool. Oh, I like that. I didn't realise that. So these you can pull apart, but they're on different papers. So I've got like a white one. I've forgotten the name of that. A toned one, but I know there's a proper name. Craft paper. There we go. Slightly very soft pink one. Very, more like a clay one. And then the bitty paper one. And then there's 3 tags that you can use throughout journaling. But they're like embossed, so you can feel them so nicely. But I didn't know you got that. I thought it was just a stamp. So that was a nice surprise. But then look at these stamps, how well they're engraved on there. So these are just rubber stamps on the other side. Walk into a dream. Misty Rainforest, walk into a dream while you are awake. So these are very well nicely made. Yeah, so it says the same thing all the way, and then it has that design at the bottom as well. So yeah. Let's test them on some paper, shall we? And let's use the little Inky. So this Inky is oil-based ink. It says ink blocks are free to add on. Oh, right. So if you get more ink blocks, you can make it as long as you want. It just kind of reminds me of that pencil that you used to get at school, where you had like different little colour leads that all slotted together. So yeah, this is 3 colours. Which one is it? Oh, I don't know which colour it is. But it does say BIP001, if that helps. I'll try and put on screen what it is when I look back at my order form. But yeah, let's get this plastic off. But this is so small and diddy, which I'm happy for because it makes it easier for me to slot in where I'm going in things. So yeah, it's just a little stamp. Oh, oh, oh. So you put in and then twist. And then twist out. That makes sense, so it doesn't like leak. So just remember that. So let's try, yeah, let's try this. Oh, very inky indeed. Oh, that's nice. That is a lovely autumn colour. So I did that one. Let's do the mushrooms. Yeah, so I've got these stamps for my Free Flows book, which is about rainforests, well, not rainforests, forests in general, folklore and follies. But they will do for an autumn. Oh, these are really good. I like these because some of the ink pads that you get are like pigment based or dye based. But these are ink, so they've got more opacity to them, which I quite like. I know sometimes I want transparency in things as well, but it's nice to have choice. Oh yeah. So that's the 3 colours, but let's try let's try and just mix up the colours a little bit. That is such a lovely colour, that. But, well, they're all lovely colours. They're not colours I would have put together, though. So that's quite interesting. Oh, I like it when they're mixed together. That is nice. Oh, yeah. But you can see how much more opaque they are. I think I've been a bit heavy-handed with the ink, but that's fine. I need to learn and not be as heavy-handed. But they are really nice designs. I love them so much. And I like tall, skinny ones because obviously I like to have margins and things in my commonplace. So it's nice to have tall, skinny things rather than big, fat things that can overtake the text or whatever it is I'm working on. So that's nice. But when I clean these, all I do is wet a little bit of paper towel and then just very gently pat them dry. That's how I get those wooden blocks dry, rather than immersing them in water. So yeah, let's just pop that there. And we've got some freebies. Yep, so from Barbara again. I love that. That's so summerish. Very nice. And we've got another postcard from the Coffee Monster. Nice, nice, nice. And we've got some tracing paper border frame here, which is very nice. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Just put it there so you can see it better. And we've got Happy Mail sticker, because it is very much Happy Mail when you get stationery supplies and art supplies. These I love. I will definitely be using these quite soon actually. Put a bit of pet tape and then some girlies as well. Thank you very much, Barbara. I really like these little freebies because they introduced me to new products as well, because I never knew what pet tape was. I was always like, oh, the big glossy tapes, I don't really want those, but they're not glossy at all. And then a free paper clip as well. So I like these little bits of freebies because they introduced me to other stuff. So yeah, that is it for my little stationery update. There'll always be little videos like this because there'll always be something that catches my eye. So yeah, but let me know in the comments if you guys use any of these products, and please, for the love of God, let me know if anyone knows of any manufacturers, particularly in the UK, that produce transfer stickers, because I'm hoping to be able to produce my own line of transfer stickers, but I just cannot find a manufacturer yet. But I'm on the hunt. So if you do know of any manufacturers, please let me know in the comments below. But yeah, also let me know if you guys use these. Do you like using stamps, or do you prefer just stickers? Or do you think they were a waste of time? Because I know there's the whole process of inking it up and then stamping it and then cleaning it, which I know a lot of people don't like, but I'm really loving the sort of commonplace journaling sort of atmosphere of just taking an hour a day, chilling out with a drink and just having fun in my journals. It's becoming a very much a tranquil thing for me now, whereas before it was like, oh, I must fill in my journal, or I must do this, or I must do that. But now I'm becoming very zen with it in a way. But yeah, let me know if you use any of these products, or if you've got any recommendations for me, especially if you've got any spooky little recommendations as well, of little sort of ghosts and ghouls or vampires and things that you think that I might like on particular stationery items that I've not yet discovered. I would love that. Oh, one other thing I thought I'd mention is it is the end of July. I'm aware of that, but couldn't resist going into a TK Maxx, and I've got my first little Halloween purchase of the year, which is this mug, this green that I love. This, you could call it a mint green, but it's also, I think, like what they call a tea green as well. But look inside, how cool is that? It's got all the little ghosts with little autumn leaves. But to me, it's saying let's get spooky. So this is like my summer into autumn mug, because it's summer colours, a little bit anyway. And it's slowly just let's get spooky, you know, sort of thing. But also with this mug, I got a little charm here. So, a little ghosty ghost. So I'm going to try and attach that to my Hobonichi. I don't know how yet, but if you see that in future videos, you know where I've got it from. But yeah, this is a very big mug as well. The other thing, when I was picking up the mugs in TK Maxx, some of the glass ones are really heavy. I kind of like that though, but they're really heavy. I was very shocked by that. But yeah, that's my little purchase. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this and found it useful. Bye for now.